Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. This is a plan with me, or really a decorative plan with me video for the week of October the 5th through the 11th. I'm sorry that I'm posting this video so late, but I had a couple of issues and I wanted to make for sure that I was able to go ahead and post this video up for you guys because it turned out really pretty, I think. And I'm going to be using this new sticker book from Happy Planner called Minimalist. It has a lot of different stickers that are more in tones of grays and lavenders and peaches and mint greens and so forth. It's really a nice book. In addition to that, I'm going to go ahead and use these two doll stickers. The one on the left is called Humble and the one on the right is called Freedom. And these two just remind me of Relax, Relate, Release. They have on their leisure outfit, and right now I'm sort of in the mode for a vacation. I need like a B&B, bed and breakfast kind of vacation, and that's the vibe that I'm feeling right now. So I have to do it in my planner once again because I can't go anywhere right now, but I love these two stickers. In addition, I'm going to go ahead and use this Planner Society washi tape. I believe that the colors in here are really going to complement the minimalist sticker book because it has that coppery foil that is in this book as well. And so it is so pretty. So let's go ahead and get started. And actually, I did not do a flip through of this book on my channel. This is actually my first time like really getting deep into the book. I did like a quick flip over, and when I saw this book, it was sold out in the store, but I guess by the time somebody got to the front of the store, they just laid it on the shelf, and I was like, oh, let me get this. So it was a good find, and it didn't look like it was tampered with or anything like that. So I was really happy that I got it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start off by putting something in my sidebar because I already know the doll stickers I want to put in the actual spread itself, but I wanted to try to find like a long rectangular sidebar sticker that complemented this color scheme, and I was having a problem with finding something I really wanted, and so I just decided to go ahead and use the colorful boxes that were within this particular minimalist sticker box, but they didn't have like a plain long one, so I got a short one, and it's like a pale pink color. I want to say more like a dusty rose because it has a hint of lavender in it. And I put this quote sticker on top of that colorful box. It says, "Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness." And that quote is from Oprah Winfrey. And so I love that quote. You guys know I love a good quote sticker in my planner because we can't be afraid to fail. And I never was told that failure was not a part of success, but I was always afraid to fail as a younger person. And now I'm starting to understand that that's just a part of success. And I wish I would have grasped that early on because I thought failing was failure, but instead is actually success. So I love that quote sticker. And then this doll sticker, I decided to put the Planner Society washi tape. I wanted to just put like a strip of it. I didn't want to have a heavy washi tape spread. And it's sort of, I like it, but I wish I would have kept it a little bit shorter. So I was trying to pull back up the washi tape, but The paper that I used to print my planner on, it wasn't working well with this washi tape. It wanted to tear quickly, so I just left it where it is. And what I decided to do is layer it with a box sticker, and this box sticker says, "What is coming is better than what is gone. What is coming is better than what is gone." This book has a lot of good quotes, and so I felt like adding that sticker to the doll sticker along with the washi tape, it created a layering effect that I thought turned out really nice. So I'm happy with that. Now I decided to go back to the sidebar because I'm like, what am I going to do with this sidebar over here? So I decided to go ahead and use this this week sidebar sticker. I wish I would have started a little bit more higher with the sticker, but that's okay. I went ahead and cut off the edge that was hanging over, and I still like the way that it turned out. And then up in that right hand corner box of this page for Wednesday, that quote sticker is on a marble effect, and it says, "Never forget how wildly capable you are." So I think that's a great quote as well. And now I'm just looking for some smaller elements to add to this page. I just put down "Don't forget." I love the different hues of this book throughout the book. You have your mint greens, your lavenders, your pink, your peaches, your copper foil, and to me it's just all beautiful. I love that I could just put a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and it still is just beautiful. And so for Monday, I put like a half circle. It says "Today." And so I've left myself enough room to write out some of my plans. Generally, I have about almost 2.5 boxes for each day, at least 2 good boxes that I can write a lot of things in. So I like how this is going so far. And at the bottom, I just wanted to put another element down there. And so I layered one of these little miniature boxes. Those miniature boxes are really cute. I like that, with a circle sticker that says "Next." So I like the way the left hand side of this page turned out. Now I'm working on the right hand side of my planner spread. And so again, I start off by putting down the washi tape from Planner Society, and I layered the doll sticker Freedom on top of that. I love how this looks because, again, as well as with the other doll on the other side, the actual colors are not found in the washi tape itself, but it complements the sticker, and I just totally like that. So I love how the washi tape gives the sticker like a foundation backing to stand out on. So love it. And then I decided to go ahead, in order to balance out this page with the left hand side, I wanted to use a colorful box and a quote sticker sort of in the middle of this page. And so I layered it with a pale grayish lavender box, colorful box, with a quote sticker that says "Live in the present." Very cute, has a marble effect, and again it brings in some of the peach and white and bronze rose gold color in it. And so up in the left corner at the top, for Thursday, I put a reminder sticker, and I wanted to sort of balance it out for what I did for the Wednesday "Don't forget" sticker down at the bottom. And so finally got that to work out. I struggled with that a little bit, but I got it to balance out. And then I just put down the quote sticker says, "Girl, you already have what it takes," down in the lower left hand corner of the right hand page. And I like that marble effect look that it has on top of the mint green wash. So that turned out really pretty. And I'm trying to decide how I want to finish out this particular page. I know that I would want to use another quote sticker, but where I would put it, that was the question. And in looking at my left hand side of the page, I decided to go ahead and put it actually in the Sunday top right hand corner, and it says what really matters. And I actually love that sticker for a Sunday. What really matters, you know? So that's cute. And then to balance out again that miniature square box and the circle sticker that I have on the left hand side page, I put it on the right hand side page. I didn't perfectly match it like I did with the other sticker on the left hand side. I sort of made it more diagonal, and this sticker is like in a mint green color, and it says dream it, do it. Yes, dream it, do it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that turned out really cute. And then I felt like I was still having a lot of white space for the column for Thursday. And I didn't want to just leave it blank, but I knew I did not want to add another full box sticker. So I was trying to figure out what I can add in this area to give it a little bit of decorative element, but not overwhelm that area. And so I saw, I got this like little honeycomb effect idea. And you know, you can't just put down one or two, you gotta put down several, but I didn't want it to make it like huge. And so I decided I would add maybe a couple more so it wouldn't look like weird, but it would get the point across with that honeycomb effect. And so I liked that. I thought it turned out really cute, but I decided to go ahead and add this ampersand onto the honeycomb. I thought that was really cute how that turned out. It's like a copper gold foil ampersand sign, and I really like that. So I thought it gave a nice little effect. So here is the left hand side of my spread. I really liked how this turned out, and this minimalist book is very pretty, soft, elegant. I love it. And then here is the right hand side of the spread. And yeah, I really enjoyed how this turned out. Still practicing my layering technique and trying to do a little bit of something with the washi tape that I may not have done before. I like sort of challenging myself. It doesn't have to be something like big and grand. It can be something very small, but something different. So I like the way this all turned out. So, yeah, I really liked it. And by the way, I do have a referral link for Goldmine and CoCo, and the new releases will be out tomorrow, Friday. So check out that referral link down below. You'll save on your purchase, and I'll get a couple of bonus points as well. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time, bye bye.